We've all at some point in our lives have thought to ourselves, I know nothing. While wondering what I should make a documentary on, I myself was haunted by this thought constantly. Then I thought to myself, I do have the knowledge that I know nothing. Does that really mean I know something? If I know that I know nothing, then I know something, which means I do not know nothing as I previously declared to myself. Mind boggling, isn't it? Well, today I am biting off a lot more than I can chew, as I would try to document a paradox. To be specific, the Socratic paradox of knowledge. Around 450 BC, Socrates existed and was famous for his ability to ask questions that you would give a very well thought out answer to, and he will proceed to contradict everything you just said. But if you follow it up with asking him the same question he asked you will hear the words, I can't know that because I know nothing. Well, not exactly. This is technically a shorter paraphrasing of his actual statement, I neither know nor think that I know. The statement, I know that I know nothing, actually comes from Plato's retelling of the stories of Socrates. In Plato's Apology, he tells us that Socrates saying that his wisdom is better than the average bear's was because he does not imagine that he knows what he does not know. That is his admittance to being ignorant on subjects that he does not have a knowledge about. When a friend of Socrates goes to the oracle of Delphi, Pythia, and asks, is anyone wiser than Socrates? Pythia responds with, no human is wiser. Socrates at first did not agree with this analogy, but using his method of bottomless questioning, Socrates soon discovered that in fact nobody really knew about anything they claimed to know, be it arts, ethics, politics, justice, the self, or the true nature of the world around us. He thus concluded, as reported in Plato's Apology, that the oracle of Delphi may have been right about her judgment and his wisdom. This led to the post Socratic Western philosophy era. Every question begins with wondering, and therefore admitting one's ignorance to the answer is the admittance of the fact that we cannot possibly know everything there is to know about everything that leads people into specializations. One can have a plethora of knowledge in many subjects, but to know the entirety of everything is infeasible. In short, Socrates believed himself to be wiser than those he speaks to because, unlike them, he admits his ignorance. This thought is encapsulated in the paradoxical statement. In the end, all I can say is that I am left exactly where I started when I started this. I know that I know nothing.